What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy once again for another video, and we do have the 5.0 right here chilling. As you guys know, if you guys are new, this is my 2018 Mustang GT Performance Pack 1. It's a 6-speed manual. I did not go with the 10-speed, had to get that 6-speed. Guys know I love the stick life, so hey, we saving the manuals one step at a time. If you guys are new, make sure to always drop that fat like, comment, subscribe, share this video, do what you gotta do. But today we are actually back because we are doing a little install on the car. Guys, we are doing an install on the car. I haven't done anything recently. If you guys are new, you know, the car is completely stock, don't have anything but just like a few cosmetic stuff right here, and just have like the hood vents, a front splitter, just like the diffuser, just little stuff like that, but nothing performance wise on the engine. It's completely stock. And today we're actually just doing another like cosmetic mod that I've always been wanting to do since I got this car. And like I even said it, if I got a 5.0 or a Camaro, I was like, I have to do this mod. It's super easy. So I was kind of debating on doing this video, but like I said, I bring you guys with the journey. So whatever I'm building on my car, I want to show it to you guys, so maybe one day somebody can find it useful. But yeah, so today the reason why I'm showing this angle is because we are doing actually an install on the gas, I don't know, what would I call this, like the gas thing, whatever, I guess. But yeah, so basically in this little package, move this out of the way, this package we actually have the thing that we're going to be installing, which is going to be like a black one instead of this burgundy one. And I've seen a video, so it's super easy to install, but I think it's definitely going to give it a way better, like this black with the rims black, the diffuser and the exhaust, so it should look a little nicer. So other than that, boys, then let's get started. All right, you guys, so opening up the package, this is how it looks like, guys. So got the GT, just a little back part of what you get with the order, and that's basically it. So I actually, guys, I did get this off Amazon. You guys can literally get the exact same ones off Amazon, eBay, whichever one you guys want to choose. I just got these off Amazon because I couldn't really find the ones I wanted on eBay exactly, but they're literally the exact same thing as the ones on American Muscle and all those other Mustang like websites that like sell them like way a little more expensive. I actually saved like 10-15 bucks on this. So like, guys, I did the research, literally the same exact thing for like 10 bucks less. Like, come on, guys, like this is a cop. I think it's gonna look dope. And then you do actually get different designs. You could choose with the little GT one like how I did, or you get to choose the 5.0. I personally wanted the GT one because I kind of already have like a 5.0 badge right there, and then like another 5.0 one right here would kind of, I don't know, to me a lot of like 5.0 already all over the car. So I was like, nah, let me go with the GT. So yeah, I think that this is honestly gonna be, I think it's gonna make it look pretty nice. I could already kind of get a little figure how it's gonna look. But yeah, and I was gonna do this whole video like separate with like a whole other parts that like are coming in the mail, but let's just say like some of the other stuff just didn't come in. I don't know why, it just didn't come in time. So I was like, let me just make another separate video. So guys, stay tuned for this other install video that I have hopefully this week, crossing my fingers that everything goes well and it comes by, you know, this week. So yeah, but other than that, let's get installing this bad boy. Let's see how it comes out. So yeah. All right, you guys, so I took the gasket off, whatever, out of the box, whatever you would call this. It just says fuel door cover, so I'm gonna just, yeah. But guys, it's super good quality. I don't know if the camera's picking it up good, but look, it's literally matte black. The drills, like, it's literally the one off like American Muscle and stuff like that, just $10-15 cheaper. So I will have this link. You guys know I always have this stuff linked, or whenever you guys comment stuff, I always have them linked. So I got you guys. But look at this, this is super good quality. But for this install, it's super easy install. I've seen videos. So for this, you should just need this, the fuel door cover, and then whichever flathead screwdriver. This is literally all you need. So this is the before on my car, and then let me give you a little preview how it's probably gonna look. Oof, that's gonna look good. I could already imagine it. Look at that. All right, so let's get started. So super easy install. You're gonna want to open it, obviously, fuel right there, easy. But you guys see this little thing right here, So that little thing is the key point just to get it. Get your flathead screwdriver, put it literally right there. All right, you guys, so I actually got it off, and then it's just gonna slide like that, easy. So this is the stock one, as you guys can see. It's just the same color. And then you just get the new one, and you literally just get these little brackets into these. Oh, the camera can pick it up. There's like a few little brackets right there. Just line them up, set it up, and you should be good. So let me just put this real quick, guys, and I'll pick you guys up when it's done. Just like that, we got it. Look at that. Ooh, that looks freaking good. So this is stock, and then that's the one that we just bought. I think it looks good. I think honestly it just makes the whole black with that black, it looks super good. I really like it. And then with all the black accents, and then especially with the future mods that are coming, guys, I think this is gonna look even better. So yeah, super easy install, guys. Look at that, just like that. And I think it looks so much nicer. Ooh, I like it. But guys, like always, I always show you guys like a little night, like under the gas station or whatever type of view. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will show you guys later, but this video is a little too short. I don't want to just end it like this. So I think we might just maybe go get some baby poles in, maybe some little, you know, hit the gas, see how it is, see how it sounds, get some footage for you guys. But I will also get obviously how it looks under the gas station at night. But yeah, super easy install, guys. I definitely recommend this. I love it. I think it looks so good. Look at that. And then when it gets lowered, boys, she's getting lowered very soon. This wheel gap is going away. Just give me time. It's coming, guys. And power mods, I've been seeing comments that I should get some already power mods on this, and trust me, guys, intake tune E85 is coming very soon. Just give your boy some time. He's gonna do it. The install is done just like that. Super easy install. And yeah, so let's get to the banging the gears. I'll pick you guys up when we're there. So I'm gonna try to do a 60 roll. See, traction control off. Guys, this thing is freaking crazy. I'm just so amazed how fast these stock 5.0s are, honestly. Like, you feel, I don't know in the video you can tell, but it literally launches me back so hard on a freaking 60 roll. This is freaking crazy how like a 5.0 18 and up, how they tuned them to be so quick out of the factory. And I'm just imagining like how I'm gonna go on E85 and then an intake and like just like simple little bolt-on stuff like in like a month and a half. Like, I wonder how it's just gonna be. I think it's gonna be freaking crazy. Make sure to like stay tuned, guys. Make sure, because this build is gonna be freaking crazy, guys. I promise. But yeah, this thing is crazy. See a little tunnel run. Oh, it sounds so good. Oh my god. All right, so let's try a 40, boys. Ready, let's go. I don't know if you guys noticed, but every time I do a 40 roll, I start off in second gear, which is a very weird roll for me. A 40 roll, it's like right in the middle of my power band, so it's not really on the top like how a 60. That's why my 60s are really nasty, because my RPMs are really high, and that's when my power kicks in a lot. So when we do 40 rolls, it's just with people that I race, it's like kind of like my weaker point. Because I seen some comments and I see my friends telling me like, hey, why don't you just start it from first gear? But if I started from first gear, guys, trust me, I've tried it. It's just a bunch of spinning, and it's just spinning ain't winning, boys. So like, you know, second gear on a 40 is just, it's really not it. It's kind of just a weird roll for me. So like, I don't know. Maybe I'll try a 40 right now so I can show you guys how bad it spins, so you guys can see. So yeah, let's just go real quick and I'll show you. All right, you guys, so here goes the 40, here goes none, so let's go. Woo! Yeah, as you guys saw, I was spinning the whole time, guys. Like I said, it's too much. It's too much for her, boys. Like we gonna need a bigger tire, or it's just that 40 roll is just not it for these tires, honestly. But that's why I tell you guys, like, a 40 roll is super weird for me, and I personally don't like it really that much, because it's like the 5.0s aren't really torquey like as like a Camaro would be, or like a bigger block like that. So it's just, you know, it's not really like that down low, but up high, this thing is vicious. So 40 roll, like I said, is super weird for me, but you guys know that your boy is down to do any friendly runs, any type of roll. So, you know, but I'm just so excited, guys, to freaking get this on E, man. This thing is gonna be crazy. I can't wait. It's gonna pull so hard, so nasty. So we're gonna try a 50. Quick. Sheesh. Yeah, boys, that 50 is way better than a 40 for sure. Still not as good as a 60, obviously, but feels good. Feels good just banging through the gears. So I'm getting a little practice in right now, honestly, too, getting these little baby pulls for you guys. So yeah, let's go see. All right, you guys, it is nighttime. Like I said, she is under the light. And guys, this also is new, this whole part right here. If you guys didn't watch that video, make sure to go watch it. It's like a Shelby GT500 type look, but this is what we installed today. Look at that. So I think at night right now, it's under the light, is looking real good. So far, my friends that seen it today think it looks super good too. So I think honestly this was totally worth it, guys. I'll have this link in the description. It's honestly like 50 bucks, super worth it. So I totally recommend it. Don't mind how dirty it is though, but you know, I had to get that footage for you guys. And like I said earlier, I kind of didn't want to do it because it was a super easy install. So I was like, do I do it? Do I make a whole video? And then I was like, well, I gotta bring them with me, let them know what I do to the car slowly, but it's coming. So yeah, it's a little short video. I got some little pulls in for you guys. Hopefully that makes it a little more interesting, more exciting. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks honestly So good. I love this car, guys. You guys don't understand how much fun I have in this car. Like literally every time I step on it, gives me a smile on my face, guys. So I love it. That looks good, honestly. Yes, it does. Yeah, guys, so yeah, that was a super easy install. I do have more stuff coming in though this week, hopefully. Fingers crossed, like I said, if they do come in, stay tuned for that video, because it's another little mod, super cool and like super cheap too. So like I'll have everything linked. But yeah, if you guys are still watching, drop a fat like, comment, subscribe. More racing content, more racing vlogs, cruises, everything is coming, guys. Be patient, you guys know the vibes. So yeah, like I said, drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.